Hello friends, welcome back to the series on Python. In this video, we will see the difference between compiled and interpreted language. Python is compiled as well as interpreted language, but in books and articles it is given as Python is interpreted language. Why so? We will discuss about it now. You as a C programmer, when you write a program and execute it, it cannot be understood by the machine. Why? Because machine works only on binary format. In order to do this, we need to convert C program into machine understandable format. So that's where compiler comes into picture. C source code gets compiled by making use of compiler and produces machine code. Now we know what is compiled language. Now we will see what is interpreted language. Okay, Python is compiled as well as interpreted language. In Python, when you are working with Python file, it first gets compiled to give you bytecode, and that bytecode will be interpreted by Python virtual machine to give you machine code or machine understandable format. Here, what exactly interpreted language means? Let's say we have set of instructions and interpreter reads and execute instructions line by line. So it is going to execute the code or execute set of instructions line by line. Okay. Now let's understand the need of bytecode. What is the exact need of bytecode? Bytecode is mainly used to achieve portability, that is platform independence, which means that write once and run on different platforms. Let's say you are writing source code for one machine and compiling it to get a binary file. This code may not work on another machines. Okay. In order to solve this problem, we have a concept of virtual machine. The virtual machine is responsible for converting or interpreting the bytecode to machine code or native code. This bytecode will run on any number of platforms which have virtual machine installed on it. This is the difference between compiled and interpreted language. I hope you understand this. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please put a comment. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you all. Keep watching Coders Cabin.